Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to provide a simple step-by-step guide on how to add an external checking account to my Chase account. So let's dive into it. So the first thing to do is to open the Chase mobile app and log in into your account using your username and password. Then on the home screen, tap the menu icon, which is the three line icon in the top left corner. Then on the step 3, you have to select transfer money, then tap the external account option, then choose the add external account and enter your routine number and your account number of the external checking account. So once you've done that, verify the account either by instant login to that bank or by trial deposit. Chase will send 2 small deposit to confirm, and once verified, your external checking account will be linked and ready for transfer. So you can now move money between your Chase account and your external checking account, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to and subscribe for more. Thank you.